I got my first ever 1000 subscribers in less than 4 days. If you are an OG on my channel, you will understand that I am not capping. So right now, in less than 6 minutes, I am going to be showing you how to get your first 1000 subscribers. It can be in a day, in a week, or even a month. It depends on which strategy that you are going to be following. So what do you need to do? Try your best to pay attention, and please watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will not miss any of these important updates. Okay, and with that much being said, let's get started. First of all, getting subscribers on YouTube is not difficult. It's not as hard as it seems to be. So there are three major ways. Yeah, there are three ways in which you can get genuine subscribers on YouTube, not the usual going over to comment section, because those ones YouTube can as well remove them the minute they subscribe to you. So I am going to be sharing these three basic way and how you can be able to get your subscribers from them faster. So the number one way, which is the most popular way of gathering those subscribers numbers on your channel, is what we call shorts. Yes, as we all know, uploading short videos can give you subscribers in no time. Just like as I said on my live stream the other day, we are all here for different purpose. Some people are just here to get those numbers on their channel very high and either use it for brand deals, sponsorship, and the rest. While some people are here for long-term business, that is, they want to actually get the audience. So do not get me wrong, if you get subscribers from shorts, do not expect them to watch your long form videos. It's as simple as ABC, except if maybe you are going to be posting the same thing you're posting on your shorts, you're going to be posting the same thing on your long form content. Now, when I started my channel, I grew it from shorts, which was actually a bad advice. That is, which was actually a bad way because it bounced back on me. But that is by the way. So how can you get your 1000 subscribers from posting shorts? For you to get that, you just have to post random videos that are trending. You can as well decide to duet to videos. You can as well decide to go to other social media platform, add a little edit to that particular video and upload it on your channel. You are going to get 1000 subscribers even in less than a week. I used this same method for one of my students back then, and in 2 weeks we were able to gather over 2400 watch hours because we were able to generate videos that went viral. Okay, so that is why I say just pay attention to these three ways of getting your subscribers faster and know the one you are to use. Okay, now the second way for you to get your 1000 subscribers, this one is not going to come faster. So if you're out there looking for sharp method, this particular method now might not work as fast as you expect it to, but if you're able to get a video that perform well, you will get that 1000 subscribers, you will get that 4000 watch hours even in less than a week. If your video blow, I have a particular video on my channel. That video has gotten me over 8000 subscribers and over 4000 watch hours. So that second method is simply by uploading long form videos. Yes, because one thing we all need to understand is that for you to get subscribers, your short need to have views and you need to also have views on your long form content. So instead of chasing subscriber, put those energy in bringing videos that people will want to see. Put those energy in making research. Okay, this niche, oh, what is going on, what is happening, which kind of videos do I see on my FYP that is doing well? Let me recreate them to see if they're also going to do well on my channel. And if you're able to get one video that performs so well, you will see that getting the subs and getting the watch hour is actually pretty easy. So this method can as well get you your subscribers faster if you try to understand it and do it the right way. So all these method and strategies that I am sharing with you, I have tested them on my both channels. Like I've gotten subscribers from short, I've gotten from long form content. I have tried it on several channels and I got a lot of results. So that is why I am sharing with you the ways for you to get subscribers. And if you follow it the right way and if you do it the right way, you are definitely going to see good results. So the third method, or the third way for you to get your first 1000 subscribers, is by simply going on live. I know this one might sound maybe cringe or maybe not possible, but you all won't believe that the last live stream I did, I think it was about 1 hour plus. I got, I think, over 40 subscribers, and the previous one I did before, I got more than 65 subscribers. I've also done it on a smaller channel. I asked one of my students to go on live one time and try to do more like engagement, or more like Q and A something on her live stream. She did it and she came back and she was like, Princess, 25 people subscribe to me and they are engaging with my content. So going on live can also give you subscribers. It might not come that fast, because that is what most of us are doing right now on YouTube. We want it sharp, 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 neglecting that this is a platform and you really need to grow before you be able to get those high numbers up. So if you want to get your 1000 subscribers, going on live can as well help you. And if you're saying, okay, Princess, I really don't have people to watch me, there's no audience. Rome wasn't built in a day. The very first time I went on live, in fact, back then, I have more than 2000 subscribers already. The very first day, it was just me and about 3 people, and we did the live stream. It lasted for like about how many hours? About 2 hours sef. So just two people, they will come, they will go, five will come, they will go. So it's a gradual process, and as time goes on, I think my fourth time of going on live back then, I got more than 300 people on my live. So it's small, small. If you do it today, it doesn't work. That doesn't mean that if you try it again next time, it will not work. Go on live, try to engage with the audience you have. And as you both are interacting with each other, people will start joining, because one thing is, the minute you are on live, it's just like video. YouTube will be pushing it out, recommending it. So somebody can be scrolling and say, oh, let me join this lady's live stream. What is she saying? That is how you drag in audience to your channel. Is really, really going to help you. Okay, so these are the three major ways for you to get your subscribers. Then other ways can be sharing your video links to other media platform, doing some shout outs, engaging through the comment section, and the rest. So if you're able to pay attention to what I've shared with you on this video, you will get those subscribers number up. So thank you guys for watching. As usual, please, if you've not liked this video, do well to like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video so that it can get to a lot of other creators out there. As usual, I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.